Welcome to the start of our Bali adventure. So this adventure started off for me in London, where I flew from there to Amsterdam and stayed in Amsterdam with my friend for 3 days. So my friend that I'm travelling with is from Amsterdam, and then we went from there to Vienna, and then Vienna to Saudi Arabia, and this is where all the problems started. When we arrived in Saudi Arabia, they held us in a room and made us pay a $120 visa, which we were just passing through, so we didn't need the visa. They took our passports and they held us there and they didn't let us leave. So that then led us to missing our flight to Manila, which is the next one. After we missed those flights, we tried to book more and there was no flights at all, and the next one we could get was 30 hours later. Then we finally got a flight which led us to Qatar, and then from Qatar to Manila, then Manila to Denpasar, which is where we landed in. We spent the first week of our Bali travels literally just chilling out, catching up, and we even treated ourselves and got a few massages in. After a few days of luxury, we hired a ped and we got out on our first adventure. First, we started off by hitting up one of Asia's biggest beach clubs, Atlas Beach Club.
And you have 20,000 for
Yummy down. Little poke bowl. Delish. Where are we? A farm.
So I might just take your woman for a night. Good. 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 Bad boy. Good. 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 Bad boy.
Oh, that's banging. Look how big this place is. I actually can't go over it.
Bad boy. Good.
Oh my god. We have found a gym. There's literally a gym up. This is how big this beach club is. And I want to hang on deep. Just go with the ocean, guys. Go, bench tree. Noodle pot. This just costs like £3. £3. Free Guinness. Don't know what this is about. We'll get some dinner in before we get a drink. Okay, so we have just eaten. It cost me £3 for my whole meal, and drinks here are kind of expensive though. Like drinks are like £10, so we're getting free samples. We're loading from them, and then we might go outside, get a load of alcohol, drink that, and then come back in because we can't afford the drinks in here all night. I'm gonna go back to the pool. We're gonna dance because now that pool and stuff turns into a DJ area basically. But right now we're sat in this little thing. There's loads of little food courts, huts around here. This is all within the beach club as well. This is the biggest beach club in Asia apparently. All the little food huts around, and then there's ladies singing here. So we're just vibing here for a bit, and then gonna get some drinks, get drunk, and go party. Also, I keep having people have photos of me because there's not many blonde, blue-eyed peeps around here. Just weird, but whatever. So the real shit is sneaking outside of the club to buy alcohol because you can't afford the alcohol inside the venue. Cheers. morning, guys. I'm hungover. I don't know what happened last night. I mean, I kind of do know what happened, but basically we went to this beach club and then we were just dancing, got in VIP, and then just got very drunk. And some random like lady drove our bike home for us, and we sat on the back of it because I was like, I'm not driving my pet because I'm smashed. So yeah, this was happening. And this morning I've woken up and I was still drunk, so I went and had a swim. And now I think, so it's really cute actually, they have these little things here in Bali, and it's like offerings, and they put them by like doors of little flowers and stuff. And we said we want to make some, so she's got the equipment for us to make some. So I think we're gonna go make some little like Bali like offerings of like flowers. It's just cute, but yeah. I woke up, got some breakfast, and look at this river. A little stream by where we live. And on the first day we were here, this was like so wavy because it was a storm and it was so full, and now it's getting less and less because it's sunny. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. So I lost a little ball for my nose ring. Not cool. So she's gonna show us how to make some Bali offerings. And what leaf is this? Banana. Banana leaf. Yay.
After you make the middle, this will be careful, and after this one in up, and this you with this, yeah, push in the middle, yeah, push, and this.
Wow, we did it.
Yes, I show you.
Made another one.
Three motifs: Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
Yes, and the flower, this red flower, and after put yellow the middle, and then put this one pink, yes, and after put this one pandan leaf.
What is that?
Pandan leaf, pandan, to make
Pandan rice.
yeah.
How often do you make these?
Me
Yeah, or anyone who lives here.
for use the leaf this without ceremony.
Ceremony.
Yeah, without ceremony. There is every day but without ceremony.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the simple one and the flower.
Wow.
You make it? Okay. This middle, in the middle of this scratch. Go here.
Amazing.
Amber can.
Make
Another one.
Get off drugs, rehab. Rehab
Keep offering some. This isn't rehab.
It's my delicate flower.
Look at that. There you go. Yay. We're putting them at everyone's doors. Did we do good?
Here?
Yeah, I think so. But like, it's not here as well. Vegan cafe. I kind of feel like we're at somewhere we're not supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Very confused. Just really got killed by a dog. We've come to some place that we don't think it's the right. Oh, same. The dog just ran at us and started barking. I thought that was it. At least I got my rabies jabs, but I don't know where we are. There's no one here. Right, let's Google more waterfalls near us, I think. On we go. I don't really know what this was supposed to be, but there's no one here, so go find another waterfall. What is this?
This cannot be real.
Mama, I got a dog.
How is it? Are they actually just
I want
small?
it.
This is not real, right?
Yesterday, let's remember every day.